Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.